Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion topic is how can you code using ChatGPT, okay, in Python. Okay, so in previous class I shown you how you can use ChatGPT to connect to MySQL database in PHP programming language. So here is Python, and we will see how we can use ChatGPT to do programming in Python. Okay, so guys, you must know the basics of Python or PHP or whatever programming language you are working on. It doesn't mean that if you are getting a ready-made code in ChatGPT and you can use it. So you must know how to use it. So let's see it in example. Okay, so let's say you need to print the Fibonacci series in Python. So what will you do if you don't have the ChatGPT support? You will go and create a file. You have to create a file always, but then here you will go and then you will define a variable, and then you will process all the things. But here you don't need to do anything. Here you just need to provide the correct keyword, Fibonacci series in Python. Okay, so correct it if it is not correct. Okay, Fibonacci series in Python, and let's search it. This is the website URL where you will be doing all these things. You will be doing all this search. You need to click on the new chat, and after you uh, provide the details, this is what you will get. You will get all the code. Here is the function. Here is how function is defined in Python. Okay, so you must know all these things, and then what you have to do, you just need to copy the code. But wait a second, it just, if you are not familiar with all these things and how it's working, then here is all the things you just need to know. Here is the instructions how you can use this code in your Python programming. Okay, so what you have to do, here you see in this code the Fibonacci function takes an input n which represents the number of Fibonacci numbers to generate. Okay, so in this way you can understand how it's working also. Okay, so let's get it working. Just copy it, and after copy just paste it in a particular area. Okay, and then just save it, and after saving it you can run it before saving, but I prefer saving these things and then just run it. Okay, so here it's asking for the number of Fibonacci numbers to generate. So let's say 5. Okay, enter the number of Fibonacci numbers to generate 5. So here is the Fibonacci series 0 1 1 2 3. So you are already aware of Fibonacci series. It starts from 0 and 1 and 1. So here this number 1 will be the sum of the previous two numbers. So after this it will become 2, and after this it will become 3. So so you are aware of all these things. Okay, so this is how this function works. Okay guys, so let's move to any other topic. Let's say Python program to find largest element in an array. Okay, so let's take a little bit a different topic. Python, or you can say like this, find largest element in an array. Okay, find largest element in an array using Python. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT has for this. It has everything. You can see it has almost everything. It says to find the largest element in an array using Python, you can use built-in max. Okay, this is the function, and then so just copy it. Here it has all the description about this one. So just copy it and just paste it here in the next line. In order to do a next line, you just need to click on the code. I'm doing all this in Google Colab. You can do it in Anaconda or whatever is easy for you. So I always prefer for learning purpose, I always prefer Google Colab for Python. Okay, so let's run it. So how many numbers are there? 5, 8, 2, 10, 3. Okay, so this is the array. Okay, and this is list in Python. We call it list in Python. This is how we deal with the arrays in Python, and there is one video regarding this as well, like regarding the data types of Python. So here the maximum number is 10, so the largest number is 10. So you didn't have to write anything, you just have to copy everything from here. Plus guys, here is the important thing is that you cannot do everything every time this blindly. Everyone saying that ChatGPT will change the development and all this. Yeah, to some extent, because it saves a lot of time. But if you are not familiar with this, how this function works, okay, and where you have to use it, what this return does, okay, and what this print does, so basic of everything is needed. You cannot just go from anywhere and use ChatGPT and you can make a website or any application. You must have the basic cover. So if if guys are thinking that I will not learn the basics of programming and directly go to ChatGPT and use the codes and make an application, then I think that would be a wrong process, and you may face difficulties in between. So I would suggest to learn the basics at least, and then try the ChatGPT to means cover up your projects or anything else. So that would be more helpful for you, and it has everything in a very detailed manner. So if you know the basics, and it would be an extra advantage, and it will be very much helpful for the development area. I hope this video would be useful for you guys. If you have any question, you can write it down on the comment section, and please subscribe if you still haven't. And have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching.